Welcome back. State has not refunded the dues paid by the parties who settled their claims through Lok Adalats. High Court has now taken suo motu cognizance of the issue and issued notice to the state government. According to Court Fees Act, if a matter is settled out of court before recording any evidence or before commencement of a hearing, then half of the amount of all fees paid are liable to be refunded to the concerned parties.
To encourage out-of-court settlement in civil matters before the Lok Adalat, Goa government had amended Court Fees Act 1870. As per the Court Fees Act, if the matter is settled out of the court before recording any evidence or before commencement of hearing, then half of the amount of all fees paid are liable to be refunded to the parties who had paid the amount. But as per record, since 1st January 2005, 601 claim petitions under Goa Motor Vehicle Act have been settled before Lok Adalats held at district courts in Goa. But the claimants in all these cases have not been refunded any fees paid by them. The High Court has observed that the refundable amount have not been paid to the claimants who have settled their claim through the Lok Adalats. The High Court has taken suo motu cognizance of this issue and has issued notice to the state government. The court has directed government to file reply in 4 weeks. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
And now look at the other happenings around the state.
8th Samrat Sangeet Sitara competition will commence from 18th August. Participants will have to be under the age group of 15 to 30 years. Cash prizes, awards and scholarship will be awarded to the winners.
Jatun je winner asa, we would like to see that even they are trained further, all the winners. We are yet to take the decision whether from semi-finals or semi-finals. Semi-finals जर 20 जणांक training दितले आमी आणि finals जाल्यार the 6 will be selected from a reputed guru. हाडून आमी एक 10 दिसाचो तांकां एक वर्कशॉप घेवपाचे आमी विचार चालू आसा आमचो.
Sangampur Sarvajanik Ganeshotsav Mandal in Sange inaugurated lottery coupons recently. 15 cars are listed for the winners. People can purchase the lottery coupons for 500 rupees and take away prizes worth lakhs.
यंदाच्या वर्षी आम्ही 15 गाडयो ह्यो दवरिल्ल्यो आसात. आकर्षक सारक्यो आदिशान गाडयो. तशेंच ह्यो लॉटरी दवरता. लॉटरीचो मूल्य फक्त 500 रुपया आसात.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar laid foundation stone for the construction of road in Karkachol in Thivi. MLA of Thivi Kiran Kanolkar was also present on the occasion. He said around 2,30,000 rupees will be sanctioned for the development work in Thivi constituency.
आची लांबी हा 4.6 4 किलोमीटर 4 किलोमीटर आणि 600 मीटर आणि त्याचा जो कॉस्ट हा 1,61,00,000 आणि हे काम या दिसांनी बेगीनूच चालू जातले. पहिले आम्ही कितें आहा ते पॉट होल्स बी काडपाचें काम चालू करतले आणि रोखडेच ते हॉट मिक्साचें काम चालू जातलें.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Referees play a crucial role in shaping up the fate of a football game. Good work by a referee keeps the game flowing and the man with the whistle goes unnoticed. However, a bad decision by mistake can make the referee look like a villain. Good work by the former referees was honoured recently by the Goa Football Referees Association during a felicitation ceremony at Duler ground. Our reporter Shamsundar Farte was at the heart of the action.
When you're refereeing, you must referee with your whole heart and soul, because a simple mistake can cause a lot of damage to the team. But I know nobody does it deliberately. You all give your best. At times there are mistakes which the team players and the spectators should understand, because every human tends to make a mistake.
If If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.